Yes. Good morning, children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for second standard students. Yes, children. As you people know, in the previous video of grammar, we have completed the exercise. In the grammar part, that is a farm. Yes, a farm, and then what? Opposites, everything we have completed. Now again, here I am back with the poetry part in the English section. Yes, children, you people know that we have already completed the poem, The Sunshine and the Shadows. Yes, the sunshine and the shadows. I have shown you some of the images also. What kind of shadows can be formed? How do the shadows can be formed? And even children, I had given you a small activity also. Yes, what activity I had given you children? In your textbook only, in page number 29. Yes. First let me read the poem, children. Page number 28 I will write here first. Yes, and the poem is Sunshine and shadows. Sunshine and shadows. So let me read the poem once, children. The sun is shining bright today. Look, my shadows come to play. I move my arm, I shake my shoe. My shadows does all that I do. Twist and shake and turn about, but when the sun's no longer out, my shadow has to go away, but he will come back another day. Yes. So here, this was the poem that we have completed. What was the poem here? The sun is shining brightly today. Yes. The sun, it was shining brightly. Yes. And it is the poet is saying, my shadows come to play. Whenever there is a sunshine and when we move outside or when we are playing or when we are doing some work, always the shadows are formed. Yes, early in the morning to the right side in the cross, we can find our shadows. And in the evening after 4:30, 5 o'clock, we can find the shadows at the left side in the cross. And in the afternoon from 12 to 2 or 1, we can find the shadow is straight towards us, in front of us. And then at noon time, that is some around 3:30, 4 o'clock, we can find the shadow is totally at the side of us when we are walking. I had given you the activity, children. Whenever you move outside or when you are playing, you just observe how do your shadow fall. What activity you are doing, the same activity even the shadow also will do. Yes or no, children? I hope many of you people might have tried this. Children, if not, please try. Try it and observe at what time, where do your shadow is falling on the ground. Okay, children? Then you will come to understand what is a shadow. Nam neralige ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ shadow. ನೆರಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ shadow. We call it as a shadow, children. Yes. With the help of the hands, with the help of the fingers, we can do different types of faces of animals, faces of birds, feathers of birds, beak of birds. So many things we can do with the hand. Yes, it shows we can see only them in the shadows. We see them in the shadows, children. And then even shadow dances are also formed in the annual days in school, children. I think you might have seen. Yes, they dance behind the curtain and the shadow is formed on the curtain. You can see what kind of activity they are doing behind the curtain. Curtain hindugade or ಏನು activity ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ curtain ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. You cannot see their face. Yes children, you cannot see their face, but only you can observe the shadow. What dance they can do in the shadow, you can observe it. Yes children, like this way we have completed this way, and even in the textbook also there was a small activity given to you people about the trees, and after drawing the 4 trees they have even mentioned the shadows there. So you have to draw the sun on those trees. At what time, where does the sun comes? Yes, so you have to draw the sun and color it. Yes children. So the poet says, whenever we move our arm, when we move, we shake our legs, my shadow does all that I do. Whatever activity you do children, you dance, you sit, you laugh, you cry, you shout, each and every activity can be seen in the shadow what we do. Yes. So here, once again I read the poem children. Listen to me carefully and by heart this poem. Full poem you have to by heart. Yes. The sun is shining bright today. Look, my shadows come to play. I move my arm, I shake my leg, chew. My shadow does all that I do. Twist and shake and turn about, but when the sun's no longer out, my shadow has to go away, but he will come back another day. By the evening time, at the night, we cannot see our shadow. The shadow goes. But again, next day, when the sun rises, again we can see our shadow in the daytime. Yes, children, the shadows are formed in the daytime. Yes. So, this was the small explanation about the shadow. Yes, children, now we will write the fill in the blanks with the right word given in the bracket. Yes. So, question answers you will be receiving by the assignment app. Yes children, and now you will solve the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the right word. Second main, fill in the blanks with the right word. Right word. So here first one, the cat dashed up the tree. First one children, the cat dashed up the tree. In bracket the word is given there what? You can see there R-U-N, run, R-A-N, ran, run, ran. The next, second one, the injured pup can, the injured pup can dash short distance, dash short distance, short distance now. In bracket the word is given. Again run, ran. Next, third, Govind dash to Chennai. Govind dash to Chennai. Sorry, the answer is in the bracket went, gone. Went, gone. Fourth Fourth one. Have you ever dashed to the zoo? Have you ever dashed to the zoo? The answer is went, gone again. Next, fifth one. The children dashed home after the show was over. The children dashed home after the show was over. So in bracket the word is went, gone again. Went, gone. Next sentence here, children. Sixth one. I had never dashed to the theatre before. I had never dashed to the theatre before. That is again went, gone. Went, gone. 7. I have dashed the monkey dance. I have dashed the monkey dance. In example, the clue answer saw, seen. Next one. 8. When I dash the monkey, when I dash the monkey, I laughed. The answer is saw, seen. Saw, seen. Next, 9th, last one, children. Have you dashed my pencil? Have you dashed my pencil? Yes, saw, seen. Saw, seen. Yes. So these are the options. Now here we have to select the correct one and then we have to fill in the blanks, children. Yes. So first one is here now. The cat dashed up the tree. What is the first one, children? The cat dashed up the tree. Understand the question, children? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವುದದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Yes. The cat dashed up the tree. The cat ran up the tree. Ran up the tree. The injured pup can dash short distance now. Ran, run. Run, ran. So the answer is what here? Run. This is ran. This is run. Next. Go with the dash to Chennai. Went, gone. Went, gone. ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗಾನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ here the answer is went. Govind went to Chennai. Govind went to Chennai. Have you ever dashed to the zoo? Have you ever ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಝೂ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? Have you ever dashed to the zoo? Went, gone. Gone. The correct answer is what here? Gone. So your first answer is, you have to underline here children. Yes? Okay, next. The children dashed my home. The children dashed home after the show was over. The children dashed home after the show was over. Went. The children went home after the show was over. I had never dashed to a theater. Theater means what children? What is theater? Where you go to watch the movies. Yes or no? Hey, picture or marumba avatta. First show, first day, you say. Yes or no? That is called in malls also there are big theaters. Yes or no? So, I had never dashed to the theater before. So, the answer is what here? Gone. Gone. Never before andre yavattu nanu hogilla. Gone. Next. I have dashed the monkey dance, saw, seen. Saw, seen. I have dashed the monkey dance. I have seen the monkey dance. Mange yavattaru kude nodrilla? Yes. I have seen the monkey dance. Seen. Small c. Next. When I dashed my monkey, I laughed. When I dashed the monkey, I laughed. That is saw, seen. When I saw the monkey, I laughed. I laughed. You have you dashed my pencil? Have you seen? Have you seen my pencil? Have you seen my pencil? So this was the poem behind the grammar part that I have completed. There is only one main in this poem children, and that is only the fill in the blanks. Yes, so you please revise this and write these notes in your English fair book after writing the question answer. Thank you children. Have a great day.